The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most iconic architectural disasters that turned into an emblem of resilience. Construction began in 1173, and it wasn't long before engineers realized something was wrong. The tower started to lean due to an unstable foundation in the soft, marshy ground beneath it. You might be wondering, how could something so famous go so wrong? Well, despite its tilted design, it didn't collapse immediately, but as the construction continued, the tilt worsened, and by the time the tower was completed, it was leaning at an alarming 5.5 degrees. Throughout the centuries, the tower continued to lean further, and in the 1990s, it was officially closed to the public. For over a decade, engineers from all over the world scrambled to find a way to prevent the tower from toppling over. The solution was complex, using cables, lead counterweights, and soil removal to reduce the tilt. After extensive restoration efforts, it was finally reopened to the public in 2001, with a lean reduced to about 3.99 degrees. Now the Leaning Tower of Pisa attracts millions of tourists every year. People flock to it to take the famous holding up the tower photo, marveling at the unique structure that almost fell, but didn't. It stands as a reminder of how something that began as an engineering error became an enduring symbol of ingenuity, perseverance, and how history can often turn missteps into iconic landmarks.